Need more ideas for how to build with LEGO? Check out these activity books. Hi, I'm Laurie from TTPM, here with 2 new Klutz LEGO books, Gearbots and Gadgets, each sold separately. The 64-page LEGO Gearbots includes 62 LEGO elements and instructions for creating 8 machines. Mix the LEGO pieces with the book's papercraft characters to create models or bots that really move thanks to gears. Some of the STEM-driven models include DJ Bubbles, an octopus spinning records, a Yeti, a pterodactyl, and more. To make them move, just crank the handle on the side. And through the building, kids are introduced to 5 basic bot and engineering elements: shaft, handle, cam, crank, and bearing. With LEGO Gadgets, you get 58 LEGO elements for building 11 different machines that flip, whirl, punch, and cruise. This 78-page book also has papercraft pieces that get mixed with the LEGO pieces to create practical machines, as well as some silly ones, such as Brick Basher the Robo Boxer. Throughout the book, kids will also find open-ended prompts and challenges to keep them experimenting and creating. Plus, behind the gadget pages show kids real-world applications for each machine. These books are for LEGO fans ages 8 and up. I think both of these sets are a great way to expand a LEGO fan's play, offering even more ideas for building while introducing kids to STEM content. I love products that help kids explore real-world concepts in a fun and engaging way. So the pros of these books are that LEGO pieces are included, there are multiple things to build, the building introduces kids to STEM concepts, kids can see real-world applications for what they've built, and kids will be inspired to add their other LEGO elements for building even more. I don't have any cons, so I give these 4.5 stars.